Welcome to the world of ABC Smart Kids! A is for apple, 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 red apple. B is for ball, 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 bouncing ball. C is for cat, cat, cute cat. D is for dog, dog, loving dog. E is for elephant, elephant, E, elephant. F is for fish, fish, swimming fish. G is for glasses, glasses, shiny glasses. H is for horse, horse, running horse. I is for ice cream, ice cream, cold ice cream. J is for jelly, jelly. K is for king, king, loyal king. L is for lion, lion, roaring lion. M is for monkey, monkey, jumping monkey. N is for nest, nest, small nest. O is for orange, orange, juicy orange. P is for penguin, penguin, pretty penguin. Q is for queen, queen. R is for rabbit, rabbit. S is for sun, hot sun. T is for train, train. U is for umbrella, umbrella, unique umbrella. V is for van, van, kids van. Water is for water, water, clean water. X is for xylophone, xylophone, xylophone. Y is for yolk, yolk. Z is for zebra, zebra. Apple. Welcome to the apple orchard. Today, we're looking for the letter A. Look at the ants go. They are amazing. Ant parade. Bubba Bear, the bouncing bear, believes in big, beautiful dancing.
Look at the big brown bear. He found a beehive. Can you say the sound? Ba, ba, bar.
The bee led the bear to a berry bush. Say it with us. Boop, boop, berry. Coo, coo, cactus. Coo, coo, cactus. Welcome to the cactus desert. Let's dance with the letter C. Coo, coo, cactus. da dog. The dashing dog dances and dreams of delicious treats. Do dancing dogs. Elephant. The energetic elephant enjoys exercising. Elephant. Fish. Fish. Wallow the fish through the forest of fans. Fan.
Gah, gah, goose. The giggling goose goes gah, gah, and grins.
Goose. Hare. The hairy hero happily hops and shakes its hair. Happy hare. Iguana. Iguana. Juice. The jiggling juice jumps and joins the jolly journey. Kangaroo. The kicking kangaroo keeps kicking and dancing. Kangaroo. Lovely lamplight. Lovely lamplight.
Monster! The merry monster makes many magnificent moves. Merry monsters!
Night. The napping knight nicely nods in the navy sky. Nighttime ninja. Octopus. The odd octopus offers only outstanding ornaments. Octopus! Pencil. The playful pencil points perfectly. Playful pencil. Queen. The quiet queen quickly questions the quirky quest. Quiet queen. Radiant Rose! Radiant Rose! Sun, the smiling sun shines so super steadily. Sun. What? Super sun! Turtle. The tiny turtle travels tirelessly. Tiny turtle. Umbrella. The upbeat umbrella is underneath the rain. Umbrella.
Violin.
The vibrant violin voices very valuable verses. Vibrant violin. The winged wind whistles with wonder. Wings of wonder, the wings of wonder wave and whiz through the white clouds. Press, press, X-ray. The X-ray zine examines extra xylophones. X-ray. The X-ray examines the extra special bones. Yo-yo. The yellow yo-yo yaps and yo-yos with youthful joy. Yo-yo. 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 Yo. Yo-yo. Zipper. The zippy zipper zips and zags with zeal. Zipper. The zippy zipper zips and zags with zeal. You did it! You are becoming a phonics superstar! If you loved our friends, click the like and subscribe button.